Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're joining the hype train. We've managed to get ourselves a Prismatic Evolution Elite Trainer box. Now, I did manage to get this one for market at Smith's, and I got another couple from my local stores. One was at market, and the other one was a little bit more than market. It was 65. So this one actually came from Cataclysm Games. So shout out to Ray at Cataclysm Games in Gillingham. If you haven't already, go and have a look at Cataclysm Games. Fairly sure they've got an online store as well. So Prismatic Evolutions, everyone knows what you get. You've got the book, which you get everything. You get to see all these nice SIRs that apparently you will never pull. Apparently they have got a ridiculous hit rate, and when I opened 2 of these boxes the other day with my friends just to celebrate the launch, we got nothing. We managed. One of my friends who always pulls decent cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One of my friends who always pulls good cards pulled nothing, but he did pull a gold card out of the 2 boxes. So hopefully today, for that one getting stuck in, we're going to leave that one to the side. Hopefully today I managed to pull something. I'm just going to quickly pause for a sec. Okay, so first pack, Prismatic Evolutions. I don't have the best of luck, but I recently have been going through a little spell of having good luck. So Psychic Energy, not too bad for me. Hippopotas, Budu, Spritzy, Roto Stick, Area 0 Underdepths, Regigas, Carmine, Leafeon Reverse, Hoot Hoot Reverse, and a Fluttermane Holo. I've heard that this set is incredibly difficult to get anything out of, and I have managed to get another one that I'm going to leave sealed, but I would like to pull something, anything. Metal Energy, Spritzy, Pupitar, Duskull, Cottony, Executor, Lacey, Screamtail, Reverse Groudon, Reverse Dusclops, and the Flareon Holo. So an Eevee evolution, but not really what we're after. If you haven't already, I do have to say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because it really does help the channel. Water Energy, Spritzy, Duskull, Cottony, Litleo, Horlucha, Explorer's Guidance, Regigas, Professor's Research Reverse, a Duskull Reverse, and a Dusknoir Holo. So 3 for 3. No Master Balls, just reverses and just holos for the time being. But I believe that we might get something. Grass Energy, Miltank, cracking Pokemon, Professor's Research, Aramatis, Noibat, Buddy Poffin, Bug Catching Set, a Pyroar, a Pokeball Reverse Techno Radar, a Goldeen Reverse, and a Mila. I did get this one the other day, so I've heard that the trainers in this set are very easy to get. Out of everything, that's what you're going to get. So I hope that isn't our pull for this box, because that would be quite upsetting. Okay, so we've got ground energy or a fighting energy, I'm not too sure. Black Belt's Training, Slowpoke, Hippopotas, Eevee, Festival Grounds, Seeking, Cypher Maniac's Code Breaking, Slowpoke Reverse, a Larvitar Reverse, and a Vaporeon EX. Not the worst pull, but it's still a pull. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, we're warming up. We are warming up. We are definitely warming up. So we've got what, 3 packs left. So this is pack number 6. Pack number 6. Let's see what you've got for us. Water Energy. Non-holo, which is good. Habanberry. Black Belt's Training. Fan Rotom. Slowpoke. Screamtail. Briar. Hawlucha. Reverse Amaris. Reverse Riolu. And a Glaceon holo. So we're back to holos, people. Ah, oh, come on now. Let's. I mean, you're hoping out for something on this SIR. Like, you have got to be very, very lucky, or open a lot of packs. Fire Energy, non-holo. So we've got Dreepy, Miltank, Habanberry, Noibat, Slowking, Binding Mochi, Area Zero Underdepths, Okidogi Reverse, a Spritzy Reverse, and a holo Roaring Moon. Still on the holos. Right, second to last pack magic. Second to last pack magic. I don't know. You know, this is a hard set, guys. Oh, there you go. Holo Energy. So that's probably it for the pack, isn't it, really? Cottony, Professor's Research, Litleo, Drakloak, Great Tusk, Professor Sada's Vitality, Suicide, Pokeball Reverse Bunnelby, a Reverse Eevee, and a Vaporeon Holo. So the Holo pile, and we've got the Reverse Pokeball. So we've got 1 pack left. Last pack magic on this outrageously hard set. Ah, dear. Oh, Holo Water Energy, there you go. That's it. Black Belt's Training, Houndoom, Professor's Research, Applin, Buddy Poffin, Bug Catching Set, Pyroar, Reverse Applin, Reverse Cypher Maniac's Code Breaking, and a Noctowl, which is from Shrouded Fable, I'm sure, holo. So, yes, this set is exactly as hard as what people say. Unbelievable. At least we got the trainer, though, and we got the Vaporeon EX, which is pretty cool, but I'm sure that that's a reprint. But like I say, like, share, and subscribe, guys. I'm going to be trying to do this on most releases. I do have another box, and I might open that one as well. We'll see.